The whole virus situation kind of forced me to start making more YouTube content. So right after my hyped EDM intro, I will show you how to make your interior photography better with 5 common household items that pretty much everybody has. So stick around. It will be quick and super simple. I'm sure everyone can do it. All you need is a glass, any glass, doesn't have to be a cognac glass, it can be any glass, literally. A pair of shades, back of your phone, if it's glossy, and a lid, pot lid. Also, what I'm going to show you as a little bonus is my favorite type of photos, interior photos, when I shoot through the window. And for that, you will definitely need a CPL or circular polarizer. For these type of photos, I'm going to use a little bit longer lens, in this case 85mm Sigma. This will give me an option to focus on really small details, and my settings are going to be at f1.4 or maybe f2.8, somewhere in between, so I can get that beautiful blur around the item that I'm focusing on, like the carbon fiber or maybe the shifter or maybe the gauges. My aperture settings are going to be a little bit darker, just a little bit darker, where I can still somewhat see the details, but the overall exposure is not blown out. What is very important to mention is that the sun will always be in front of the camera and never behind, so I can always have that nice contrast between bright and dark areas. So let's try with the glass first. All I'm going to do is I'm going to point my camera at the shifter and place this glass right in front of the lens. And I'm going to swirl it around until I get something that I really like. Let's try with the shades. Same thing. Same thing with the lid. Next one is the phone. For the window shots, you will definitely have to use the polarizer. Without the polarizer, you cannot cut the reflections. But what also really matters is that you position your car so that on the window you have that clear blue haze that gives you that beautiful vibe to these interior photos. Once you try it, you will know what I'm talking about, because these are definitely my favorite interior shots. That's it. These are very artistic photos, and I hope that in some way it helps you stay away from the stereotype. If you happen to use any of these little tips and tricks, please tag me. I would love to see your work, and I'll let you know what I think. Stay safe, and until next time, take care.